Podcast episode number 1. 3 biggest website mistakes small business owners make and how to fix them. Studio microphone, welcome to the Strumark podcast, where we talk about smart web design, real SEO, and how to grow your service-based business online. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. In this very first episode, I want to share something that comes up all the time when I talk with small business owners, especially those who are just getting started online or feel like their current website just exists without bringing in real leads. So let's talk about the 3 biggest website mistakes I see business owners making, and more importantly, how to fix them. Mistake number 1, treating your website like a digital brochure. So many business owners think, hey, if I just put my logo, some info, and contact details online, that's enough. But here's the truth. Your website isn't just a brochure. It's not just a digital business card. It should work for you 24/7. Think of it like your best salesperson. It should guide people, answer their questions, and make it easy for them to take the next step, whether that's calling you, booking a service, or filling out a quick form. Also, your site should clearly explain your benefits. Why someone should choose you over the competition. What do you do better? Faster? Smarter? Cheaper? The best websites give real value to the visitor. They answer questions. They reduce doubt. And most importantly, they speak directly to the people you want to reach, your ideal clients. So don't just build a website for yourself. Build it for the people you want to serve. Mistake number 2, writing content yourself without a clear SEO strategy. Now don't get me wrong. You know your business better than anyone. But writing website copy isn't just about describing your services. It's about using the right language that your potential customers are actually searching for. That's where keyword research comes in. I always say, if you skip SEO, you're building a beautiful store in the middle of the desert. At Strumark, I offer a free keyword and competitor analysis to every potential client. This helps us understand what people are really typing into Google when they're looking for businesses like yours. And guess what? That becomes the foundation for writing content that ranks and converts. Plus, when you understand your competition, you can position yourself more clearly. Maybe they focus on price, but you focus on speed or quality. That matters. Mistake number 3, using a generic template that doesn't reflect your business. Look, I've seen it so many times. Business owners get a cheap template, slap on their logo, change a few colors, and call it a day. But your website should feel like you. It should reflect your brand, your message, your offer. And beyond aesthetics, it needs to be built to perform. Fast loading speeds. No one waits more than 3 seconds. Strong security. HTTPS is a must, not just for trust, but for SEO. Mobile optimization. Most visitors are coming from phones. Your site has to look and feel great on mobile. Clear navigation. People should never feel lost. Well-written section headings. Every headline should tell people exactly what they'll learn or find in that part of the page. One of the worst signals you can send to Google is when someone clicks on your site, waits, can't find what they need, and hits the back button. That tells search engines your site wasn't helpful, and your rankings drop. At Strumark, this is exactly what I help clients avoid. I build fully custom websites from scratch using WordPress plus Elementor. I don't just design. I write all the content, structure the page for SEO, and tailor it to the business. You don't have to waste time writing or uploading anything. You just fill out a simple form, and I do the rest. And here's a bonus. If you're starting a new business, I also include a professional logo design as part of the website package. That's something most agencies charge separately for. Whether you're running a carpet cleaning company, a law office, or a local HVAC service, your site is your main marketing hub. Every ad, every social media post, every referral, it all leads back to your site. So make sure it works. Make sure it converts. If you want to take the first step, I'm offering a free keyword and competitor analysis with no obligation. Just visit strumark.com and fill out the quick form. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next episode.